If you've ever felt like meaningful learning for your kids requires travel, big trips, or a lot of planning, I want to show you what that actually looked like for us today at a simple park. Hi, I'm Latoya, your homeschool and world school trip scout, helping moms create intentional learning experiences for their families, both at home and around the world. Today we came to an all abilities park here in Glen Heights, and honestly, this wasn't some big planned learning day. It was just us getting out of the house. But what I noticed reminded me of how simple learning can really be. One of the first things I noticed was how much he naturally explored, choosing where he wanted to go, what he wanted to touch, and this is where learning really starts, not with structure, but with curiosity. So much of early learning is physical, climbing, balancing, figuring things out through movement. And moments like this build confidence in ways we don't always think about. Even just being around other kids, learning how to wait, observe, interact. These are the kinds of lessons that happen naturally when we give our kids space to just be in the environment. And what I'm realizing in this season is that I don't need to overcomplicate learning or feel like I have to plan something big for it to matter. Sometimes it really is this simple: getting outside, being present, and letting our kids explore. And if you're a mom who wants to be more intentional with your family, whether that's at home or when you travel, I created a free World Schoolers family travel packet to help you get started. I'll link it below, and I'll catch you in the next video.